Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn 3D solid modeling in SolidWorks with the help of extrude boss base and extrude cut. So let's get started. When we open SolidWorks, select new, select part and click OK. Now we'll change this IPS to millimeter gram seconds. We have to make this geometry, so first we'll make simple rectangular block. The width is 120 mm, length is 200 mm and the height is 20 plus 100 120 and the radius of this circle, which is around 40 plus 20 plus 20 80 by 2 40. So this is 40, 100 140 and 20 160. Now click on the top plane, select sketch. Here we'll select center rectangle, draw one rectangle here, click OK. Now we'll give dimensions to this rectangle. You can select smart dimension from here as well, or else you can use a short key. Hold your right key of mouse and drag your mouse upward to select smart dimension. Now select this line and the width was 120 mm. Click OK. Select this line and the length of the block was around 200. Okay, now the sketch is fully defined. Go to the features, select extruded boss base. Here we'll put height of the block, which was 160 mm, and click OK here. Now we'll cut this extra portion from block. This height is 20 mm and the angle is 45 degree. This length is 100 mm and this length is 20. So we'll cut this portion now. Right click on this surface, select sketch, select normal to. Here we'll select center line. We'll draw on the center line here. Now select line and we'll draw that shape here. Click OK here. Now select smart dimension. Select this line and this line. This is 45 degree. Click OK. Select this point and this line. This distance was 20 mm. Select this line. This is also 20 mm. Again select this line. This was 40 mm. Now go to the mirror entities. Select these all lines. And here mirror about. Select this center line. Now again go to the features. Select extruded cut. And here select through all. And click OK here. Now we'll cut these circular portions and this slanted part. This distance is 20 mm. The diameter of this smaller hole is 40. This is also 20. This hole diameter is also 40. This length is 20. The distance from this slanted line to this edge is 40 mm. So we'll draw this. Right click on this surface and select sketch. Here select normal to. Now we'll select circle. We'll draw 3 circles here. Select smart dimension. select this outer circle and the diameter of this circle was 80. Again select this inner circle, diameter of this circle was 40 millimeter. Click OK. Now select this circle and this circle, give relation equal, click OK. Again select this circle, hold the control key, select this circle and give relation tangent. Again click OK. Now select line and we'll draw the slanted portion here. Again select smart dimension. Distance from this point to this edge was 40. Select this line and this distance was 20 millimeter. Now the sketch is fully defined. Select trim entities and trim this upper portion. Click OK. Now go to the features. Select extruded cut. Select all the portion we have to cut. And click OK here. Now we'll cut this last portion. This distance is 40 millimeter. So radius of this circle will be 20 millimeter. Now right click on this surface, select sketch, select normal to. Here select center point arc. We'll draw one arc here. Click OK. Select this arc and the radius was 20. Click OK. Select line and draw that rectangular portion here. Again select this line, hold the control key, select this arc and give relation tangent. Click OK here. Now the sketch is fully defined. Again go to the features, select extruded cut. Total length of the block, this length is 200 millimeter and the length from this point to this point is 140 millimeter. So this length will be 60. So we'll put here 60 millimeter and click OK. Now if you want to give material, go to appearance, select appearance here, select metals, select any material you want. For now we select this steel, drag and drop this polished steel and select body. If you want to change the background, select the small arrow besides of apply scene, select any background you want. So that's it for today's video. So today we have learned how to use mirror entities, extrude boss base and extrude cut. Try to make this block, and if you have any query, ask in the comment section. If you find this video informative, like this video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching the video.